Good morning guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Today we will talk how to get our URL profiles for our friends in LinkedIn. From our profile pictures, press on setting, then data privacy. Then we will press get a copy of your data. This will open a file. Here we will choose connections and then request an archive. This will take about 1 hour according to the number of followers you have on your account. After 1 hour, we can refresh this page and we get download archive. Let's try to refresh it again. Okay, very simple. Now we'll press download archive. This will download a zip file. Save. After downloading, we will press or navigate to the download 2 times or unzip the file. It will give you a CSV file that contains the data we need. The file will contain first name, last name, the URL that we need, that will be, we will use it to extract the profiles. The init if the user put his email as public, then company position. Okay, what we need, we need two columns. And here you go. Okay, now we I see it's 5. All this file we will use it to upload it to our LinkedIn data profile extractor. Thank you.